90 trainees, including the posts of Deputy Superintendents of Police, Inspectors, Sub-Inspectors and Assistant Sub-Inspectors, passed out from the Northeast Police Academy today. Of the 90 trainees, Meghalaya contributed 46 trainees, Manipur 19, Assam 14 and Nagaland 11. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while emphasizing discipline, integrity and purpose, urged the officers to prioritize the nation and people while making difficult decisions. He also highlighted the importance of humility and respect in leadership. He assured state government support for a NEPA, including addressing infrastructure challenges.
NEPA has contributed immensely to the safety and security of our region by contributing towards the training of our officers and the manpower in the different forces that we have throughout the states in the region of the Northeast.
The Opposition Congress today